Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you a comparison among Wix, WordPress and Squarespace. Now let's get started. Let's go with Squarespace first. Here we are in Squarespace, and from here you can see the design of the template. The main good thing about Squarespace is that their templates are very authentic, which is super for portfolio. As you can see, you can scroll all the way down and their design is phenomenal. When it's come to authentic, let's choose one template, say this one, and close that. From here you can choose the color plenty for your design. Squarespace focus more on authentic compared to the other platform. Next we process to the site builder. This is where the bad thing about Squarespace come up, because it is not as versatile as other platform. As you can see, it's still loading. We will click next and get started. In Squarespace you do not have much control over the template. For example, you can edit your template, but there are limitations. You can change the color of the button, but there is less control over your website or template compared to the other platforms. Squarespace is not great for e-commerce or business site. So if you are making a website for a large commerce or business, you should consider other platforms. Now let's go into Wix. These are the template you can use in Wix. They are decent, but I think the Squarespace template are better. Wix templates are not heavily focused on portfolio. You have e-commerce design, business design, and more. You can choose from many templates. For example, if you are choosing this template, you have a lot of control over the template. In the template you can fully adjust or change something by clicking on the toolbar. It's more convenient and easier to use compared to Squarespace. You change button color and text. Wix is easy to use and has many functions and control, and you do not need to special or coding skill to maximize these control. Lastly, here we are on the WordPress thing. First thing to know is the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com manages your hosting, which help optimize your website for speed, security, and performance, while WordPress.org is self-hosting. Here are the themes or template you can use in WordPress. Let's choose one and open it in a new tab, then preview and customize. You need to upgrade to activate it. This template, click on the upgrade button to start customizing. One good thing about WordPress is that it is the most customizable website builder. The platform allow high customization compared to Wix and Squarespace because of the plugin you can use. You can see the plugin that make WordPress better and more customizable. Some plugins are paid and some are free, like MailPoint and Jetpack CRM. WordPress is a free platform. You can use free plugin and theme. The cons of WordPress including a slight learning curve due to the plugin which require patience to learn. The concluding this video, I hope this video help you choose the right platform for you. Thank you for watching.